Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new collection to show you by Jeulia Jewelry. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Alright you guys, so Jeulia Jewelry did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me this collection to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, I'm really excited because they got a hold of me and they asked if I'd be willing to show you a piece from their new collection. And then they actually sent me the entire collection to show you guys. There's 3 different pieces, and if you can already guess, there's a little bit of a, I guess a sneak peek or a hint from what is behind me. So let's go ahead and see what their new collection is. I'm so excited. And in their brochure, there's actually a little sneak peek. I don't know if you noticed when I flipped through in my last video that I showed you guys. And if you caught that image, then you would see this right here and you would totally understand my background. When they said they were going to send me the entire collection, I was so excited, and I thought that would be really cool if I bought a tapestry to hang behind me. This is not a background, so it might move if it gets any wind. It's an actual tapestry that I hung behind me just for this video. So their new collection is inspired by Van Gogh's Starry Nights, and that is how they got this collection. One thing that I do want to point out is they sent me the entire collection to one of the 3 different ones that they have with this inspiration. So the 3-piece set that they had sent to me is called the Dreamy Secret. Ooh. Then there's 2 others, and they have their own, all same inspiration, of course. The one is a Quiet Moment, and then there is the Pure Nights. So it just depends. If you love this collection, you can see which one you like best and then choose which pieces that you would like in that individual collection. So let's go ahead and see what is going to be the 3 pieces in the Dreamy Secret. This one has different color stones to it, so I'm super excited to show you guys something completely different. This did come in a mailer bag like normal, and this was what was inside. So then when you open it up, same thing. They have their paperwork here. If you do get anything that is a ring, there is a piece of paper on there. There's a tag, and I will have it on mine as well. This right here is saying stop. Do not rip that off until you make sure that you're totally satisfied with it and it fits you 100%, because they will not warranty or exchange it if you remove that tag. So make sure you try it on, you're good to go, and then you can remove it. So that's what this says here. And then here's their brochure, which goes over a lot of their collection. And I showed you that one page, but again, it goes over several different pieces. There's that one. Sometimes new, sometimes oldie but goodies. But I love looking through this book because it's just so breathtaking. All of their pieces are just so breathtaking, and I love everything. So when you do get it, they give you this bag, and if you are purchasing this for a gift, then you can put your items down in here. There's an actual card in here, like a gift card, where you can write your own greeting, and it has Jeulia on the back. And then down inside of here is a cleaning cloth. So if you're getting this for yourself, always remove this, because down inside of here is where your cleaning cloth is going to be. They're in all different colors, but if this is not for a gift, remember to take this out so you can use it to clean your jewelry. So if it's not for a gift, then you don't care about the bag. You want to know what's inside. So this is a 3-piece collection. Here we go, you guys. Let's get in here and see what these are going to be. So the first piece that I'm pulling out, this is going to be the necklace. So let me get this out. And they always put it in a little bag so the chain is not going to be tangled when you get it. But here is the necklace. That is so pretty. So in this one, you guys, we do have like a dark blue stone. There's a light blue stone. There's a clear stone in the middle, and then there's like a yellowish colored stone in there as well. But look at that sparkle. Look at that shine. That is just simply breathtaking. And I'm so glad that they asked, because again, I always go with my comfort zone and I never go with anything outside of the box normally. So these colors are definitely different, and I'm excited to show you guys. So here is the necklace. I remembered to remove all my jewelry first so I can just show you just this collection only. Well, I have my earrings on, but Like a chicken. Flap away. Okay, so there is the necklace. Did I have it on the right way? Yes, I do. Okay, so now let's go in here. This is going to be the ring. So here is the ring. I'll show you in the box. So with the black background, maybe you'll see it a little bit better. But it has the same colors. So you have the dark blue, the light blue, you have the yellow, and then you have the clear stones. This is so pretty. So here is the tag. This right here is what you will not remove until you know you are 100% satisfied. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this now. They already know my ring sizes by now anyways, but let me go ahead and put this on my middle finger. Ooh, that is so pretty, and yet it's just like so dainty. It just looks so feminine, just so pretty. It looks so pretty. So it's not like big and gaudy, overpowering. It would look pretty on any finger. Let me move it to my ring finger. That is so pretty. And it's all the same colors. It matches it perfectly. So now let's go ahead and get this one here out. This is the pair of, oh, it was earrings. I thought for some reason it was a bracelet. It's earrings. So I do have to take these off. I thought I came prepared. There's my ear. I'm here earless. I'm holeless. Let me get these out. I'm not holeless. I got a lot of holes. Holy moly. Okay, so let's get back to the earrings and look at how pretty. So the same exact design. I think this is this. Yeah, this is all the same design. That's so pretty. And online, the yellow honestly was like, I don't know how that's gonna look in person, but it actually works. I like that. I love these hoop designs though, because I don't ever remove mine. If I had any earrings that actually had a post, then me sleeping or me on the phone all day, like at work, it would hurt the back of my ear and my ear, the back of my ear and the back of like my head. It would hurt and it would become irritated and it would just bother me. So I only wear hoop earrings that do not bother me. So I'm so glad that these are like the hoop style, because these are the style that I can just leave on and just not have to worry about them anymore. Ooh, and it opens up wide. Whoa. And you stick it in your hole. And flip it around and get it up in there. I'm in. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. I love the different colors. Oh my gosh. And it's inspired by a beautiful painting and they did amazing. Oh my gosh. So my earrings, the necklace, and the ring. Wow, that is so beautiful. Again, they were gonna just send me one and I said, well, what would be easier would be the necklace or the earrings. So then they're not having to size anything, that kind of thing. I'm just thinking the easiest thing for the company. And they wrote back and they said, I wanna send you them all. And I'm like, what? Oh my gosh. So then I instantly, like I said, I bought this tapestry to go in the background just for this video because that's what it is inspired by. So I thought that would be really neat to have. And yeah, oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Jeulia Jewelry, for sending me the entire collection to show my viewers. This is just breathtaking, and the different colored stones are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Wow. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and tell you a little bit about Jeulia Jewelry if you haven't watched my others, and then I'm gonna play a video that I love to play for you guys I actually screen recorded from their website. Okay, so they do have my own code to save you guys money. It's SheCrafty15, and that'll get you 15% off your order. And the ring sizes go anywhere from 3 to a 15 and every half size in between. The Jeulia stone is an excellent alternative to a natural gemstone because it is more scratch resistant for everyday wear. Unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than of a diamond while maintaining an ethical standard to protect our environment. Now they have a little scale on their site which says looks like a diamond, check, check. That's for Jeulia and a mined diamond. Durable, check, check. Hardness, Jeulia comes in at a number 9, where a mined diamond is a number 10. Density, Jeulia is a 5.70 and a mined diamond is a 3.52. 100% ethically sourced is only for Jeulia, and potential harmful mining is only for a mined diamond. Measuring an impressive 9 out of a possible 10 on the scale of mineral hardness, with proper care and cleaning, your Jeulia stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Our proprietary stone is hand cut and fastened in-house to shine brilliantly and provide a beautiful sparkle with bright, vibrant color. It can also be created in colorless form, which we use in our jewelry to stimulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the market that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia stone. Our commitment is to avoid putting more strain on our natural resources with providing gemstones that are 100% traceable. They have 30-day return, free standard shipping over $99 orders, 1-year warranty. All of their jewelry is $925 sterling silver. They have flexible financing and secure shopping. And again, SheCrafty 15 will save you 15% off your order. So if you want to see that really neat video that I love to play for you guys, here you go.
My name is Laura and I'm one of the head designers for Jeulia Jewelry. Jewelry is not just something you wear, it's something you feel. It's not just a fashion statement, it's a way of life. Jeulia Jewelry has the ability to not only personalize the look, but also to evoke emotion and create memories. This is the very mentality of Jeulia Jewelry, and we create beautiful premium artisanal jewelry that express, that reflect who you are and what you stand for. Pieces that you won't only wear to ceremonies and parties, but that you'll want to wear throughout your everyday life. Our dream is to make you feel an emotional connection to our jewelry, which is why each of our personalized designs are 100% handcrafted to offer you what you love from our heart to your heart. Everything we offer is made in-house, so we know that craftsmanship like this comes from caring hands and not from an assembly line, to ensure that the end product is a beautiful representation of the woman wearing it. Inspiration is a finicky concept because it comes from one's perception of this reality, and so therefore you can open a book, a fairy tale book in your workplace and be inspired, and other times you walk around and you see random items and they push you to create the most beautiful jewelry. I would say in the end, making jewelry is almost dreamlike because it allows you to tap into your emotional feelings, which is precious. Yes, Jeulia, I love me.
Okay, you guys, so that is the video that I love to show you guys. It just goes into a little bit more detail on how much handcrafted detail and attention to detail that they put into everything that they make. And I absolutely love all of the jewelry that I have received and purchased from them. And this is just another thing that I'm going to love and I'm going to rock with pride. I love their proprietary stones. These are just beautiful. The attention to detail, the sparkle, everything about their jewelry is just phenomenal. I love everything that I have. And again, I will only bring Jeulia Jewelry to my channel to show you guys, because not only do I believe in them, I wear them with pride every single day. I don't have any issues with them. So for that, this is the only jewelry company that I will show you guys. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. So you guys, comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of their new collection that is inspired by Van Gogh's famous painting? What do you think of the different colors of their stones that they chose and the little scroll design? What do you think of this collection in general and about Jeulia Jewelry? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.